My head is spinning, brother. Oh, it's red. No, brother. I never smoke, brother.
You need them.
No. I never smoke, brother. This is bad to your health, brother. No, brother. No. This is bad. It will get you. When you smoke this, no, brother, you will get cancer, brother.
No. Them.
No, brother, no. What is this, brother?
Beri mana di with them.
I don't know, brother, how to use this. You use first, no, brother. No, brother, no, please, brother, please. No. I'm going, brother.
No. Sit down. Yeah. And some, huh? Why you not Pnar?
It is so toxic, brother.
So very good, eh? Why you pat yang tuna? Why you don't know? Oh, brother.
My head is spinning, brother.
Spinning. What are you spinning? Don't know, Billy.
Are. Katus oleh kau Nigro.
Oma, Kitty betul tu yang ni?
Yes, brother.
Huh? Kitty betul tu yang ni? Tak?
Oh, where I am this place, man?
Huh?
Where's my smartphone, brother?
Phone?
Where's my smartphone?
Oh,
Where's my bag? Where's that person, man? He carry everything from me. Oh, brother.
who's that guy?
I don't know, brother. The one who ride me here, man. Oh, brother, I have lost everything now, brother. I lost my smartphone. I lost my bag, brother. You know English, brother?
I know a little bit.
I don't know what type of food he give me. Like this type, rat.
Oh, you eat quite right?
Maybe, but I heard that he sounds like that only. He said that it is. What do you said?
Quite.
Kwai.
Quite.
Kwai. Okay, brother.
So from where you are?
I am from Senegal, brother.
Senegal?
Yes, brother. Ghana.
Oh,
Have you had that country?
You are from Nigeria?
Yes, brother. Yes.
So what are you doing here?
I just want to travel around, brother, but I have lost the location. Also, it take me not the exact location, brother. I don't know where to go now.
Maybe he is a thief.
Yes, I think so, brother.
So how can I help you?
I don't know, brother. Now I don't have any place to stay, brother. I'm new here now.
He carry.
Yes, yes. He carry all my stuff, brother. I don't have anything now, brother. What shall I do, man? I never expect this. I just want to explore this Meghalaya, but that's the passion you tip, man. Brother.
This is your first time you've been
Yes,
here.
brother. This is my first time, brother. Here.
You don't know that guy.
I don't know him, brother. He give me some that smoking shit that makes my head dizzy spinning, brother.
What type of smoking?
I don't know, brother. Maybe I have seen it. Maybe it's a weed or the dope. I don't know, brother.
Maybe give he gave you ganja.
Oh,
You know ganja? It is like a smoke, but it is different.
you mean to say that ganja?
Ganja, yes.
Oh, yes, brother. I know ganja, brother. I think I taste that, brother.
Okay. Don't worry, I will help you. Let's go.
How can you help me, brother?
I will help you everything. Then don't worry, I am here with you. Okay, let's go to my.
Thank you, brother.
Let's go.
You are so kind. God bless you, brother.
It's okay. It's okay.
Is this far to reach in the main road, brother?
It doesn't far. Maybe it take time 20 minutes.
Oh, it's okay, brother. I can walk by foot, brother.
Do you have a child?
No, no, brother. I'm not taken. I'm single, brother. I don't even have a girlfriend.
So how old are you?
Now,
Yeah.
I'm just 16, brother.
16-year-old.
Yes, I'm 16. You should
Sure.
believe or what?
Sure.
Yes, I'm 16. How old are you, brother?
Myself 30.
30 years old.
Yes.
Oh, brother, you are younger than me, man.
Yes, you Nigeria. You are different.
Yes, yes, I understand that, brother. Okay, brother, let's work, brother.
Do this in Meghalaya.
Yes, yes, brother.
Before we have plenty of tree.
Yes, yes, I saw, brother. It is very naturally and it's so fresh
Yes.
air, brother.
Yes, but now everybody they plan to cut and they plan to carry it away.
Yes, brother. I will teach you one thing, brother.
Yes.
Even if you cut the tree, brother, you have to plant it
Yes.
more and more, brother.
Yes.
If you cut 6, you have to plant 16, brother.
Yes, that is right.
Even in our country also, brother, there is so many corruption.
In your country.
Yes. They still have that, the politic mind.
Yes.
So many corruption, brother.
In Meghalaya, you know the same.
Same.
Yes.
Oh my God, brother. How can we people
We
can
have-
stop this corruption, man?
We have everything,
Yes.
but we don't have the good leader.
Yes, yes, brother.
They taking and we don't have a good leader.
Yes, yes, brother.
Sorry, because my
It's okay, brother. It's okay.
my English doesn't good.
I understand, brother.
Okay, let's go.